Pulling into Beto's this morning because nothing starts your day off and week off like food poisoning. This is how I'm starting my day now after Beto's. Planning, burrito, radio, and waiting for the footing guys to show up so we can pour at Lane's End. Okay, so we're supposed to be pouring footings this morning here at Fruit Heights. But when you pour concrete, you need somewhere to wash out. Again, a SWIP thing. This was my washout. It may still work. I think that's good. All I did was empty out the water. Cardboard's a little bit drier than it was before, and make it look pretty again. So when I'm not in my little wood cabin job trailer mobile shack deal, I am in my truck working, and when I'm in my truck working, this is what it consists of. My laptop, my phone, my notebook, and my internet, my jetpack, which I would say sounds cooler than it is, but it is pretty cool to be able to just get Wi-Fi wherever you want. I was using my phone to do that for a while, but I guess you're not supposed to use it exclusively for internet, and I was melting my phone. It's kind of an exaggeration. Oh yeah, then I also have this deal. Well, let me explain what that does. That is an inverter, and for all you people who don't know, that basically makes your cigarette lighter or whatever, your battery, turns it into a plug-in. Man, I suck with my words today. Inverter turns the output of your battery, the power from your battery, into usable plug-in outlets, just like in your wall. That was slightly better. That was pretty bad still. I just got back to Stonegate and I found something amazing. It's Monday, so I needed a little bit of a boost, even though I'm going to Disneyland on Wednesday. Oh my sweet goodness, spring is here. Which means no more winter, which means happiness. Okay, here, this home, oh, I just almost slipped. Garage doors look good. They replaced some of the stone. It was too orange. I think it looks good. That guy sticks out a little too much. You don't blend in, man. You don't belong here, Stone. You don't match with the rest of us. You don't fit in. Here's a quick shot of the cabinets with hardware on them. Looks nice, although this is still not matching. So that and that need to get replaced. Alright, so if you're ever in construction and you're wanting to bet on weather, or hope for weather, I guess, you always want it to rain in the afternoon after everyone gets on site. Because if it rains in the morning, before people get there, no work can be done that day. It's impossible. But if it rains while they're there, they just push through it because that just makes sense. So yeah, I mean, if you'll notice, there's no cars or subs or anything anywhere because it rained in the morning. Happy Monday. After much math and spreadsheeting, now I'm headed back up to the job site to do more spreadsheeting, Excel, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, there's no power in the trailer, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do, well, try and show you what I do anyways when I'm doing Excel. So Excel, I basically take the numbers we take from blueprints, which as you can see right here, these are definitely blue. Look at this. I take these square footages and I estimate the material cost for every one of those things and try and predict what a home will cost, be the cost per square foot of that. The square foot is the unit of measure for homes. What is a good way to describe what a square foot is? It's 1 foot by a foot. This is a square foot. This is what your house is measured in. How many of these, of concrete, of wood, of paint, of, I don't know, whatever you want. Let me, I'll make the demonstration even more clear. This basically sums up what I do in Excel. So this equals a spreadsheet. 1,756 of those. And in Excel, I figure out how many of these it takes to build one of these. Kind of a terrible plan to show you since it's just the foundation, but so one thing I need to do before I go home is measure what the size and how many of each door hinge we have. Let's see here. So all the exterior doors are 4 inches, all the interior doors are 3.5. Have a count on them. Nice and rainy. It's been rainy all day. I slipped. I didn't almost slip, I slipped.